Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video on the Nissan Versa Note trunk latch today. And this one is a little tricky. You'll see it sitting there on the trunk lid. And I have one that I pulled off of another Note right here. First part of this job is to get this plastic panel off, and I've started it already. You can use plastic pry tools. Just be careful to go around, make sure not to break the plastic or the clips. Ooh, he just popped off. This one is the manual version of the latch. It has no power on it. This one has a powered actuator on it. And you have to release these clips in here. 1, 2, 3, that one and that one. These hold the wiring, both the wiring harness and this release cable to the handle on the latch. So I'm going to shoot up in here. You want to press this direction to release that cable. Pull it down first because this needs to feed through when we pull the latch out. So I have these kind of flat pliers that have kind of a flat surface on them. Got it from Harbor Freight, and I will go in and grab these and push them through. Okay, and then you press on this here to get that up in. Sorry about that. You just press on that and you push it in. So find where everything's sticking down, push them through, and then you're going to hit the 10 millimeters with an impact or whatever you have. Okay, so at this point, this latch is going to feed through. I think we have a keyed entry here. So you're going to press down on that plastic piece there to release it. It's hooked up behind the trunk lid here to have a keyed access. I don't think the powered version has that. We're going to slide this guy out. And then for the powered version of the latch, you will actually release the plug right here, and then there's one on the actuator, but this one just has the blue cable, and you'll just unplug it there. I think that has a side plug. You pull that out, and then you can release the latch from here or slide it all the way through to get it out. Okay, so there we go. We have both the powered and non-powered version. I will have links to eBay as well as the OEM partners for each version. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.